starting an engine when it's not in a bike. This is a K75 engine gearbox, and Mike on eBay, or just Mike, has asked me if it turns over, because I've never heard it running. I took it off a bike. So how do you know? How do you know? Well, I haven't got the ignition key, so even if I put a battery on it, it's not going to work, because I sold the ignition key separately, because I thought I'll never need that. And people need ignition keys. So behind here is a lot of leaves and crap. 3 coils, triple, 750. That's the starter motor, and that's the alternator. So the starter motor, so that should be power. I'm guessing. Yeah, that's going to be power, isn't it? So 12 volts. 12 volts onto that, and it'll either whiz round. It's not going to fire because there's no fuel. But does it turn over? Is it seized is the question, I suppose, because it's a full engine, but I've never heard it running. Took it off a bike. It's done 39,000 miles. So what we need is a battery. Earth onto the engine. There's the earth strap, actually. So that's earth. Oh no, that's not earth. This is earth. That's some sort of drain pipe thing. So that's earth, and that will be positive. So it should be. That's where the battery usually sits. Careful I don't create a fire. Yeah, which would be good or not good. But let's see. This is part of my bike project world. Battery. I've got 2 batteries. This one's a big one. Battery, 12 volts for the use of. This one was on another bike, another K bike. In fact, it was on the red one. So, effect sensor for sale. That looks like an ideal bit of wire. Let's come off a bike. Maybe all we do. Never had a bike explode, but hey. Just put some in it. Let's see. 12 volts. Ooh, jeez. Yeah, there we go. It's a lot of power. Yes, Mike, it does turn over.